a testimony of love over everything. And we are gathered here as we celebrate the love between two people. Again, this is their golden anniversary. Hindi po madali, no? Na makatagal sa relasyon. But again, today is a testimony of love over everything. Pwede po bang tumayo po tayong lahat? Lahat ng mga bisita. At pwede po bang kunin natin yung ating mga table napkins? Pwede po bang iwagay-way natin ito? Ayan, as we welcome Mr. and Mrs.